Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded within like a couple months and I do apologize, but today I'm here with the Z and I'm here to give you guys a little breakdown video plus a little POV drive. Now these mods are not in order. They're literally just what I bought at random. There's no specific order. It's just, you know, whatever I bought. So I guess the first thing we're gonna talk about is the coilovers. I am on BC Racing coilovers. They do drop pretty low, as you guys can see. So BC Racing coilovers ran me $915 just for the coilovers. They do kind of feel like OEM in my opinion. When I first threw them on, I could not feel the difference. Like, they literally feel so comfortable. I have a lot of people DMing me asking me like, yo, what coilover should I go with? You know, which ones do you have on? And I always recommend BC Racing coilovers. Literally the best bang for your buck for coilovers on the Z. So BC Racing coilovers are definitely a must-have if you have a Z. And second thing on the list is gonna be my Z1 toe arms. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Right with my fingers pointing, that is gonna be the toe arm. It's really hard to see under here. Right up there. So those toe arms I bought off of Z1 ran me $150, which was honestly not too bad. I only really bought them so that I can run the true style coilovers. Everything from Z1 is honestly like top notch. Like, their quality is always really good. So if you do want to go with the true style coilovers, you have to get toe arms or else you won't be able to run them. The toe may, after shipping and everything, is gonna run you about $1,000. But the thing is that I did not purchase that exhaust. A very good friend of mine actually bought it for me as a surprise. Okay, next model we have is the Z1 brakes and rotors. After tax and everything, it ran me $400. All four sides, new brake pads and everything. Honestly, I didn't feel a difference. They kind of felt like OEM. Stopping power is okay, but you just get the Rolex for the drilled and slotted rotors. Next thing we have on the list is going to be these wheels. These are Vordovan wheels, if I'm pronouncing that right. I bought these maybe about a year ago. The specs on here are 19 by 9.5 in the front plus 12. 19 by 10.5 plus 12 in the rear. From what I can remember, they ran me about $900 for all four wheels, which isn't too bad. I mean, they look pretty good in my opinion, but I kind of want to change up the look soon. I kind of want to go with these other wheels I have in mind. Color on these are going to be called Hyper Black, and it's kind of like a black chrome, but yeah, those are the wheels that I have for the Z. Next thing we have on the list is going to be the tires that are wrapped around the wheels, and those ran me $600 for brand new freaking tires. Yes, the tires are on the more pricier side, but I promise you guys they are totally worth it. If you guys are looking for tires for your wheels to stretch, definitely go with the Federal tires for sure. And next we have probably my other favorite mod on the Z, this KBD front bumper. I bought the bumper for $450. That's including shipping and everything like that. So the bumper comes unpainted, and I paid about $350 to get the whole bumper painted, which isn't too bad, honestly. The quality on the paint is okay. Could have been much better. Yeah, that's for the front end of the car for the bumper. Next thing on the list is these depot headlights. I bought for $550. These are definitely a must-have if you have a Z. They have the black housing, and they just look so freaking good. I'm not sure how much we're at right now, but I probably put it on the screen right here. So that's where we're at right now, and we have probably a good amount of mods left, not too many. The next mod is going to be these side splitters that I bought. These are the side splitters that I'm talking about. These are just universal side splitters I bought on eBay. Yes, I bought them on eBay, but these look so freaking sick. I paid about $250 for these. After a year or so, they start to fade a little bit, so probably soon I'm going to wrap these. You can kind of see that they're kind of ashy and they need to be brought back to life. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap those soon. But yeah, probably another one of my favorite mods on the Z. We have one more mod on the Z for the exterior that's probably my favorite, and it's probably the most exciting mod that I bought or was like waiting for it to come to my house so I could put it on. And it's gonna be this full carbon Nismo wing that I bought off of Injuku Racing. And yes, this wing is literally full carbon. I've always wanted a Nismo wing for my 350Z. I always like the way they look. They're really subtle and they really flow well with the car. But this wing I purchased for $700. And the thing is that this wing did not even come with any hardware. I literally had to figure it out myself and throw it on. But yes, this is probably my favorite thing I bought for the car. And I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling so hard to get this to fit on the car because it didn't come with any hardware. So I literally had to figure out, you know, what's gonna fit. I had to drill 2 of my own holes, put a lot of 3M tape under here, and honestly it's held up pretty well so far. So I think I did a pretty good job. But yeah, probably my favorite mod on the Z for sure. I think that's pretty much gonna be it for the exterior. Here's the total just for the exterior. I'm put it right here. That's how much I spent just on exterior mods. And now we're gonna go into the interior mods. I don't have too many, honestly, just like a little bit of stuff. First things first is gonna be this Mishimoto shift knob I bought on Amazon for 40 bucks. Bride or Brid, however you say it. Shift boot was about 15 bucks. And then this carbon dash cover thing, I guess you would call it. Bought this on eBay for about 10 bucks. For what I paid the price for, is honestly pretty nice. It is a little bit messed up right here, but that's literally the only flaw. But that's pretty much it for the interiors, pretty much stock. I really need a new steering wheel. This one is so beat up. I really need to buy one soon because this one is just a no-go. This thing is no bueno. It's so bad. So I think I'm gonna get one soon. I know I want to do like a carbon wheel, but we'll see. Pretty expensive for a wheel, but it's worth it. But that's it for the interior. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick, even though I literally have nothing under here. Also, I've been having some hood issues on the passenger side, where when I lift it up, it hits my fender right here. I have no idea why. I need to adjust it somehow. It cringes me out every time I pop it open. Watch. Oh, see, you guys heard that noise? Oh my, oh yeah, okay, that's not good. Okay, but yeah, like I said, engine bay is pretty much stock. As you guys can see, I don't even have a aftermarket intake. Everything is all factory. But what I do have, I bought new Z1 coil packs. Those were about $400 after shipping. And then I also have these PCV Z1 hoses. Those hoses were about 30 bucks. So that's literally all I have in the engine bay. I really want to do an intake for sure, a plenum spacer, and I really want to polish this manifold just because right now it just looks really ugly. But yeah, that's pretty much the plans for the engine bay. I do want to get in here and deep clean everything just because everything is so grimy and nasty. That's pretty much all that I've done to the Z so far. I have the total written down on my notepad right here, and the total that I spent on my car that is not even finished yet, I have so many other plans for it, is $6,768, which is crazy because when I bought this car, I bought it for $5,200. But I'm not too surprised because literally every car guy does that too. They buy a car for pretty cheap and then dump all this money into it. That's just how it goes when you want a car to look how you want it to look. But I really hope this video answers a lot of you guys' questions that you guys have had. I get so many DMs on like, hey, like, where'd you get this part from, or like how much did this cost, like what do you have on your car, like what should I get. If you guys have any other questions, leave it down below in the comments. But yeah, that's the total I spent on mods on my 350Z. I absolutely love this freaking car. It's crazy because I always imagined the car looking like this, and to see it finally here is like a surreal feeling. If you guys are liking how the Z looks so far, do me a favor, go down below, give your boy a like on today's video. So now that the build breakdown is pretty much done, we still got to go in the POV drive, so let's go. Okay guys, well, I bought this thing to help record POV videos. Not sure how stable it's gonna be. It doesn't really look that stable. It was only $4, so hopefully it's pretty good. And yeah, I guess let's just go on the little POV drive. If this doesn't end up working out, I'll probably just buy like a GoPro and like a head mount and use that, but I just want to use this and see how it would do. Okay, so far this thing is super jumpy. I'll probably have to end up getting a GoPro head mount or whatever thing, because I can just already tell this is not going to be stable at all. Yeah, this I can literally just see my phone bouncing up and down. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Okay, so this thing is not gonna work, so I'll just hold the phone, I guess, and try to give you guys this POV. If there's a lot of wind noise, I do apologize. The windows are literally open and I'm recording on the iPhone. Also, if you guys, like I said, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll try my best to get back to everyone and answer as many questions as I can. Also leave down below any other videos you guys want to see. Oh, there is a CA Corvette right there. And I really, really want one of those so bad. They look so good. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but TJ Hunt's girlfriend, Sabrina, she has a green one with bronze TE 37s. And they look so freaking good on the car. And the whole car by itself just looks really good. And I really want to see it so bad. But before all that, I was saying, if there's any other mods you guys would want to see me do, like install videos, maybe like a diffuser install, or maybe some like engine mods, like I could do some of those videos too. But damn, I need new wheels so bad, bro. This shit is so bad. This shit's so bad. And like when it rains outside, for some reason, the leather likes to rub off on my hands, and it like sticks to my hands, and it's so uncomfortable. If anyone's selling a wheel, DM me, bro. Let me know. I really need one so bad, or like a whole setup, like the hub and the quick release. Let me know. I would buy it for sure because I need a wheel so bad. Bro, that tow-mate never gets old, bruh. The tow-mate never gets old. I can listen to this thing all day, bro. Literally all day. It's so hard holding the phone and trying to drive stick. Oh god. Oh, and also I just now noticed, you guys can see this crack on the windshield. It was there when I first bought the car, and I'm not gonna lie, after owning the car for a while, you start to like not notice it as much when you're driving. So that's why I haven't fixed it yet. Like sometimes I just forget that it's there, and then, you know, when I record or someone points it out, then I'm like, oh yeah, it's still there, like forgot about it. But I was going to replace it until I got my windshield tinted, and I was like, well, might as well keep it now, because from the outside you can't really tell that it's cracked, now that the windshield is tinted a little bit, so it hides it from the outside, but not as much from the inside. As you guys can see, it literally goes from there to here. It's so bad. We're about to come up on a bridge right now. Feels so good outside, guys. Like, the weather right now is literally perfect. Oh, lights were to turn red up there. I can't do it. Do a pull. I hope there's no cops around. That would suck. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed today's video, definitely go down below, leave a like for your boy. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. I honestly had a lot of fun. I do miss making videos a lot. I miss, you know, seeing all the feedback from you guys, all the support and stuff like that. Really does mean a lot. Maybe I'll get back into making more videos. If you guys want to see them, I'll definitely do more. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.